Hi everyone, this is Wistek 2024 DIY box, and this box made for Home ESS and not recommend to use for RV ESS. If you want to use for RV and app, and there is another DIY box for you. And now I will introduce this DIY box for you, and let me check appearance for you. And this is black stainless steel, and look have a great quality. And later I will measure the stick of stainless steel and handle two negative terminals, two positive terminals, 4.3 display, switch button on or off, and recent button, dial jaw connection, and SOS indicator. RS485 can communicator. This is for inverter, and this for battery pack, alright, and 214 amp cycle break. Okay, let me open the list DIY box and what is included. Single PCB, PSA, PSB, and 4 NTC. Okay. Now we check what accessories we can get. Okay, G-Con BMS and PB2A16S20P model, and 200 amp discharge connector, and app size tight. Okay, let me show for quantity. And this DIY box is pre-assembled version, and you can see this BMS have installed. And let me check the detail. And okay, it's and not to. Okay, let me check. This box have type and flexible bus bar and flex. Okay, useful it, and useful stack. And this box can be stacked in 5 levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and can be extended 14 address system, and communicate. And this is BMS signal cables, and battery panels covers like this. Okay, perfect. And for 3 glass, 4 panel covers, and this is communicate camber and screws. That's all. That's simple. This is the free assemblable version DIY box, and you only put correct order at the cell and connect negative connector, positive connector, and you can complete